tornado emergency for Lafayette and surrounding areas. The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for Acadia Parish in southern Louisiana, Iberia Parish in southern Louisiana, Lafayette Parish in southern Louisiana, St. Landry Parish in southern Louisiana, St. Martin Parish in southern Louisiana, Vermilion Parish in southern Louisiana. Until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Crowley, or 25 miles near Lafayette, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Lafayette and St. Martin Parish. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: law enforcement and trained storm spotters confirmed a large tornado. Impacts: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This tornado will be near Crowley, Jennings, Lafayette, and New Iberia around 8:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornado include Baton Rouge. This includes Interstate 10 and Louisiana between mile markers 3177 and 1. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.